Hello students, it is day 3 of chapter Nature of Matter. Today we will discuss change of state, which includes melting, freezing, evaporation, condensation, sublimation. Firstly, we will discuss what is change of state. Change of state. When matter is converted from one state to other state, it is called change of state. For example, when we heat the ice, it converts into liquid. This is what change of state. Here, solid converts into liquid state. Let's open page 32 of your book. Change of state. Heat results in weakening of intermolecular forces of attraction. What are intermolecular forces of attraction? The force of attraction between the molecules, thus causing change of states. Solids have molecules packed tightly. When solids are heated, the heat energy is used to weaken the existing forces and hence separates the molecules, thereby forming a liquid state. Pay attention here. When we heat the solid, it converts into liquid state due to weakening of intermolecular force of attraction. Next is, when the liquid molecules are heated further, more heat further separates the molecules, thereby forming gaseous state. See, when we further heat the liquid, it converts into gaseous state due to weakening of intermolecular forces of attraction. Most of the solids expand on heating as their molecular force of attraction decreases and atoms move away from each other. As you can see this activity, in first case, metallic ball passes from the metallic ring. When we heat the metallic ball, then what happens? It expands and it does not pass from the metallic ring. This shows that solids expand on heating. Next we will discuss definitions related to change of state. First define is melting. Melting is defined as the process in which solid changes into liquid on gaining heat at constant temperature. Constant temperature means at fixed temperature. When we heat the ice, then it converts into liquid state, that is water. Next term is freezing. Freezing is defined as the process in which liquid changes into solid on releasing heat at constant temperature. Releasing means heat is given out at constant temperature. Constant means at fixed temperature. For example, when we freeze the water, then it converts into ice, and freezing point of ice is 0 degrees Celsius. Means at 0 degrees Celsius, liquid converts into ice, and this whole process is known as freezing. Next term is evaporation. Evaporation is defined as the process in which liquid changes into vapor on gaining heat at constant temperature. Again, when we heat the liquid, then on heating it converts into gaseous state, and gaseous state of water is water vapors, and this process is known as evaporation. Next term is condensation. Condensation is defined as the process in which vapor changes into liquid on releasing heat. Again, releasing means given out at constant temperature. Constant means at fixed temperature. When we cool the gas, it converts into liquid state. This process is known as condensation. Next term is sublimation. Now in sublimation, solid directly changes into gaseous state. So definition of sublimation is defined as the process in which solid directly changes into gaseous state without undergoing the liquid state on gaining heat at constant temperature. For example, this is the example of dry ice. Dry ice is solid carbon dioxide. When we heat the solid carbon dioxide, it directly changes into vapors. This process is known as sublimation. Another example of sublimation is naphthalene balls. Next we will discuss questions related to back exercise. First question is, what do you mean by change of state? Second question is, how does heat bring change of state? Last question is, defines melting, freezing and sublimation. This is all about today's topic. Hope you have understood each and every concept. Revise this topic. Stay home, stay safe.